ServiceMate is flexible when it comes to how you want to charge for your services. When preparing a quote or estimate, or finalising a job to invoice, you can add individual labour and material items to the job, charge according to preset service packages you've created, or create new items or services on the spot. When it comes to how your final PDF document will look for your client, you can itemise your line items, roll them up into labour and materials, or roll everything into one price. For example, you can add all your labour and materials to a job, then select a template which pulls these up into a simple total next to a description of the work completed. This formatting just depends on which quote and invoice templates you use. You can also have more than one quote or invoice template available to use for different types of jobs or clients. To add a different type of quote or invoice template to choose from, in your online dashboard, go to Settings, Document Templates, and New Template. Give it a clear name, then choose from different styles of itemized and aggregated templates. Once saved, you'll have the option to choose which quote or invoice template to use at the time of generating the PDF, both in the app and online. Smart Labour makes charging for your time easy. For work where you're specifically charging labour according to time spent on the job, instead of estimating or separately recording the time, then manually setting the labour charge, you can charge your time based on ServiceMate's time tracking. When adding billable items, select Smart Labour and set a labour rate to charge. This will apply the labour rate to the time you've spent checked in to the job. You can charge according to the exact time recorded, or round it to the nearest 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Decide whether to include your travel time to site, then tap Set Labour. If you have several staff working on the one job but charged at different labour rates, each team member can record checked-in time against the job at a different labour rate. And if you're wondering how ServiceMate knows to display these different labour rates, billable items in your account containing the word labour are identified as possible labour rates to choose from.